Hey, what's up guys? This is Bob for BP Fishing. We're at a super secret spot, I guess you could say. New territory for me, an old quarry that I happened to find on Google Maps and connected with some other people about it. I have absolutely no clue about this body of water. I did just take a peek at the water. Looks super deep, no weeds, stuff like that. So options are unlimited. We do have a storm front coming in, so I've got my rain gear with me just in case it starts raining, but I'll be able to stay out here and keep fishing. So hopefully it's going to be a good day. Excited to be fishing. Let's see what happens. There we go. I let him eat it down a little bit, and just gave him an extra second to bite on that. Nothing real big. Look at that. Not bad for a start of the day. It's actually a pretty good start compared to some of the ones I've been getting. Look at that. There's a rock ledge that goes here, and you can see it right out this way. We're gonna cast beyond that and then bring it back along this rock edge if possible. Basically go around the curve. I can't really see what's over there, but see if there's anything just sitting along the wall. There we go. Man, these guys are aggressive. I want to get a gauge on these things, being that they're so fat, not super long. I'm gonna weigh him up and get a gauge. That way I have an idea of the right ones to weigh and not to weigh. .78. Okay. He's short, but he's fat. All right, let's see if we can keep it going. They're actually not hitting real hard. They're hitting pretty light. There we go again. Look at that. Ooh, this one seems bigger. That was right after second cast, back-to-back casts. I don't know if he's bigger, but yeah, he's the same size. Look at that. Killing it. Look at that guy. He is not happy. Another fat fish. All right guys, that was a fun time fishing here. Obviously it's new territory to me. Threw a bunch of stuff, caught 3 of them on finesse with just a yum worm. I think it was a yum worm. I'll have to look at that. But after a little while, the bite just stopped. So I threw a swim jig, I threw rattle traps, I threw crankbaits, I threw all kinds of stuff, even a jerkbait, just to try to stir something else up, but that was it. that was the end of the bites for today, but that's okay. I got 3 nice fish out of here. Really excited about that. I needed to get some fishing in today. Got a lot of traveling to do over the next few weeks for work, so it's gonna be tough to get some fishing in. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you can, leave a comment below, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. We'll talk to you soon.